Alright, so you want to make money flipping sneakers? Alright, welcome to the world of sneaker flipping. In this video, we will explore the exciting and lucrative world of flipping sneakers for profit. Are you ready to step into a world where passion meets profit? Let's dive in. Before we start, let's understand what sneaker flipping actually means. Sneaker flipping is the art of buying and reselling sneakers for a profit. It's not just about buying any old pair of sneakers and selling them. It's about finding the right sneakers at the right price and selling them to the right buyer. Sneaker flipping has gained immense popularity in recent years. People from all walks of life are getting into this business and making a handsome income. The demand for exclusive and limited edition sneakers is at an all-time high. And if you know how to source, access, market, and sell sneakers, you can ride this wave of success. So how do you get started? The first step is researching popular sneaker brands and models. You need to stay in the know about what's hot in the sneaker world. Look for trends, collaborations, and releases that create hype. This will help you find the right sneakers to invest in. Once you've identified the sneakers you want to invest in, you need to find reliable sources for purchasing. This could be through authorized retailers, online platforms, or even direct connections with suppliers. The key is to establish a network of sources that you can trust to consistently deliver high quality sneakers. But what about those limited edition or rare sneakers that everyone is after? How do you get your hands on those? It's all about strategies. You need to be proactive and creative, from entering raffles to joining online communities. There are various ways to increase your chances of acquiring those highly coveted sneakers. Now that you've sourced your sneakers, it's time to assess their value and potential profit. Consider the market demand for specific sneakers. Is there hype around them? Evaluate factors like condition, rarity, and exclusivity. These factors will determine the price you can sell them for and the potential profit you can make. When it comes to selling sneakers, marketing is key. Create an online presence and utilize social media platforms to showcase your collection. Build a network of potential buyers who trust your brand. Provide excellent customer service and maintain a reputable image. Remember, a satisfied customer can lead to more sales and recommendations. Financial management is crucial in any business. Keep track of your expenses and profits to ensure you are making a healthy margin. Plan for reinvestment and growth. As your business expands, consider scaling it through partnerships or by expanding your product offerings. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, sneaker flipping is a world full of excitement and opportunity. The right research, sourcing, assessing, marketing, and financial management, you can turn your passion for sneakers into a profitable business. So step out, find those sneakers, and make some money. Happy flipping. And if you like this video, remember, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.